Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's explore some stuff. We looked into the level.dat file. Now let's see what the dat.old has in store for us. It might be the world data. Not sure though. Wandering trader trends. Okay. So there is the same stuff again. So I guess, yeah, it's the same basically. So this means everything is in this file. Okay. Now, can we look what this is? Session.log. Oh, okay. Doesn't work. No, that's not compatible. So really the file to edit is level.dat. Oh, I want to download that. Already have it once. Anyway, so important time. So we have pretty long game time. Word generation settings. You can change the seed. So now that's interesting, right? Yeah. You can play in multiple seeds, guys. So let's have a look. Best Minecraft seeds. Yeah. Not Bedrock, Java. One. So hopefully this is better. Let's see. Village. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. What's the seed? That's the seed. All right. Let's do this. Shall we? So I have the backup, so it doesn't matter. Game rules. Keep inventories on. There's no limit to crafting. We can do challenges with this actually. There's a bonus chest. What happens if I put 2 here? I'm just wondering. Difficulty. It's normal probably. I know it's hard when it's 3. Okay. Let's do this. So it resets the dragon. It's just a new one. No? Okay. I might already have the inventory. I could practice something. Wait, give me a sec. So save a new one. I do have this backup. Keep in mind. So I'm not going to lose what I have there. I will just go for this here. Delete that one. Don't even need to delete actually. I can call it level backup. And then I give the name level here. And let's find out the world seed if it's that 4 village seed. And that would have tricked the demo version fully. because it's a set seed that you cannot change normally. But if what we've done, if that really works with this seed, we shall see. Okay, it's about to start. I didn't try this before with the seed, so let's close this page. I have too many pages open. Okay, good. It's starting up. Let's see. Ready, move on. I'm wondering what will happen. I didn't put the coordinates though, but I think it's pretty near to spawn. Wait, that's not the right seed. Hold on a second. Did I not? Oh, probably the other files. So, want to try something. Game commands. So the seed didn't want to change, or maybe that's the issue. I shouldn't put some stuff in that doesn't work. But why? Wait, why is it? No command. Too much opened. Game rules. Here, no command. One is set to yes. Okay, let's save this. Now, let's do that. I think the issue is that this old other file is still there. I probably have to reset and then or delete, and it generates automatically. So delete this. It's learning by doing, you know. Nobody showed me this. I'm figuring it out myself using logic as well. I only knew about the timer, and all the other stuff I figured out myself. So spawn patrols. It's enabling. You can disable. I think it's just 0, 1, because if you do other things there, yeah, but there are other values that work. Yeah, if it's B, you cannot. What value was the bonus chest? Where was it? It's here. Oh, my bad. It was silly. It's a binary value, cannot enter true, it's invalid. So probably it didn't do that properly. Not here, lava, it's still, yeah. But happened, I think. Just a bit space. Be great otherwise. To see if we can run I have the wool. No, it's not. Oh. Yeah. I should have given myself some wood. I don't have an axe. Oh, silly me. Hold on. So I have it here. Okay. Refresh that page. I want the current file. I should have inventory space. So player inventory. So I need wood too. Okay, I have some free slots. Slot 33 and 34. Okay, so add name 23. That's the wrong type. Wait, B. Byte. Ah, it's a byte tag, it's not binary. Anyway, it's fine then. 6. Count. Yeah. Do a stack of oak log. Blank. Don't need logs. Otherwise, we will just take inventory space. Okay, I need for. So I think that's the wrong slot. 1 to 33. Okay, and I need the axe, of course. Would be silly with no axe. And maybe a hole. It would be something to netherite hole. Serious dedication. Yeah. Slot 34. This. Count this one because the tool is like that. So I need, yeah, that's the one. I need to do it this way. ID netherite Minecraft first. Netherite. I don't know why I forgot about the axe. I will also do sharpness and smite. I can't do fire aspect, that would be crazy. Okay, components. Could have added Bane of Arthropods. That's for fun, yeah, I can still. Okay, Minecraft enchantments. Okay, and Minecraft repair cost. Do the same, 3 levels. Fits that. Okay, so oh, wrong. Needs to be in here. Craft efficiency 5. We'll do silk. Yeah, silk touch. I don't think that fortune is useful in the axe. For bookshelves, for silk touch. It's faster than the pickaxe, that's why. So we'll do that. It's 1 means that it's there. 0 is that it's not there. So mending, of course. Unbreaking. 3. Okay, now sharpness 5. Doesn't make a trident. That would be cool if all stuff, loyalty, channeling, and that doesn't make sense. It's including can't throw channeling and loyalty could though. Anyway, focus on this. So this might. I hope that I spelled it correctly. No, I didn't, because it has to be underscore. I hope it's correct. So I'm not sure if it's been of output. I don't need it really, but I'm just doing it for having it. And fire aspect, yeah. That sounds illegal, but let's do it. Okay. Since I'm at this, let's look for yeah, it's here. Enough arthropods. Let's add it. I hope it's correct. I can check it. Yeah, it's fine. It's basically spiders, what I think about, but a few more other mouse, but I mean sharpness 5, you should one hit them already. Same for the axe. Smite on the other hand is useful, especially against the wither. I wonder if the sharpness and smite can stack. To some degree, maybe. No, for the undead. Okay, I think I have it all. So I should be able to do this. Okay. Now this one I delete and I enter this change to level.dat, so it's the right one to read. And I launch Minecraft again. So it might not work with the seed, maybe. Not sure. Maybe there is something else to modify at another location. Not quite sure. Difficulty locked. Can do that. Ender items, that's the ender chest. Enchanted books. You know, it's also interesting. Could have done something about that. From breaking 4, no. Something like that. Wow. Yeah, that was from enchanting. For aspect 2's might form breaking. That's level 30 enchantment. That's why I have it in the chest. Okay. Make it more. Work. Enough archers. Okay. Looting. Yeah. But also looting. So let's quickly fix that. Normally you cannot use looting, but let's do that regardless. Where's the axe? Here. Okay. What? Did I just press the wrong button again? Wait. Just to be safe, I reload it because I don't want this one. So inventory. Oh, attributes. Wait, what's here? Ah, that's interesting. Oh, you can also change such stuff. Abilities. Okay. That's the end. Okay. So inventory. That is towards the end. It's here. Looting. Have to be sure to be on that so it doesn't mess up. I think that was wrong before. Looting 3. It looks illegal, but make this work. Okay, I need the whole. Slot 29 is free. Wait. So let's do that. Add another slot. Okay. Slot 29. Count 1. ID. Minecraft. Netherite. Bow. And then components. And let's open this. Minecraft enchantments. Not sure if you get XP Silk Touch on the Skulk. I think it used to work and got patched, something like that. Not sure anymore. But I think Fortune is better anyway. Don't need to Silk Touch the Skulk. I need to get more crops from farming, so wait, before I add anything, let's add repair cost. Yeah. So yeah, this time I can add enchants, efficiency 5, fortune 3, mending, can do mending 2 or more, by the way. That would be OP. This means that it gets mended quicker, basically. Okay, so we have this. That should be fine. Dragon fight, yes, reset. Good, I think that I have all that I need. Save this. Delete that. Copy and paste. I might put it into the backup with the right seed. So I will just copy it back, just the seed, and then save that new backup because the accent holes are missing. I didn't realize. I even used to have these. Didn't make the shovel either, see. So a silk touch and efficiency shovel. I had that even. I had both from looting end cities. But the reset was before I finished looting. I had only a bit looted and then I looted way more another time, and yeah. I wonder what's quicker, creative mode flight or elytra. It should be able to TP, right? What happened? Oh, my bad. I didn't put it in there. Yikes. Have to redo that. Didn't pay attention. Otherwise, it won't be able to read it. Of course, makes sense. So I do the shovel while I'm at it, and I put the seed back because it's not working, obviously. The only thing that doesn't work. Oh, and maybe the full name. I have to right click, rename. Okay. Efficiency, yeah. And then delete the others because I do nothing. Except the repair cost. Oh, I really have to right click and do it like this. Bit annoying, but yeah. Okay, so the shovel. Yeah. That is free slot 26. Okay. Let's add 25 too. 25 and 26. I need 2 shovels. Silk touch and fortune because of gravel, flint. So it's 25. This is a lot. 25 and 20 and 24. It's also free. Let's do 25. Components. Need to close the door of my room, I think. Pretty soon. Count 1. I wonder if you can give a name also to an item and it still can work. I should be able to recognize it through this coding. Oh, didn't realize no, not value, rename. I didn't have to type this, that's why. So, craft enchantments. Fortunately, there is no copy paste to save time. So you have to manually type everything, which costs a lot of time. And it is what it is. Can be glad that this is even possible in the first place. So craft efficiency 5. Let's do fortune first. Imagine a higher fortune level. That would be crazy. Ending on breaking. Okay. I still do the existing levels. I don't exceed them. There's no point. I could do blast, fire, and yeah, I could add more protection to my armor. Blast protection, projectile protection, and fire protection. Yeah, would be a thing. Anyways, let's quickly just check the file. It's here. I want to put the seed back, so it's not going to be an issue later on. Where's the seed? Virgin. Don't know why this didn't work. Oh, it's here. Okay, so I can keep this as new backup file. So, player inventory. Yeah, here, shovel. I need a new one. Entry 26. 26. Slot 26. That's fitting pretty well. Now, components. Another shovel. Still touch this time, so I can always get gravel, but all the time always get flint. It's like 100%. No luck involved, but a guarantee. That's why it's nice to have both. So I mean, I could have done easily all netherite because I had a great template and I had so many diamonds from looting the end city, so it's fine, I guess. It was only time to get the ancient debris or netherite. Even that I had found, so wouldn't have been an issue with what I had. But I have to rebuild the mob farm, so I'm doing this. I think it's fair as compensation for what I lost, for the time I lost. Still had equipment, but I no longer had or anything I built. It reset completely the whole world. It's pretty annoying. There goes 3. Okay, now enchant the same except second, not fortune but silk touch. Of course, efficiency 5, and now silk touch. Mending. So there's one thing you cannot trick the demo version at, it's the seed. That's all. You can have multiple worlds in the same seed though. By saving and resetting the world, and you can configure the world the way you want. To get rid of something. No, it's fine, just it added at the top, that's why it confused me. Yeah, that's all it needs. Breaking, mending, efficiency, that's yeah. Okay, let's do the protection thing. I think it's here. Yeah. So let's add. Oh, damage from skeletons and creepers. And from wildfire, it's just burning less time. But in the nether, it's useful, especially if you fall into lava. I mean, protection for netherite. Shouldn't keep the elytra on, but the chest plate if this happens. Or fly out of the elytra. Does that work? Not sure if you can fly out of lava. I couldn't from water, so no idea. Int tag. Last protection 4. Oh no, what did I just do again? Oh, that's pissing off. Oh, that's so pissing off. I misclicked again, I have to redo all. No, that's annoying. So, chest plate. I had a lot on it, so I have to redo all. Man. Man, it's faster than to redo everything else, so I have to go through this. It's annoying when this happens. Pretty annoying. But it is what it is. At least I know what can go to a chest plate. That's a good thing. So I have unbreaking, mending, protection, thorns. Yeah, not protection types. Last protection. It doesn't make sense to have 4 times max protection though. I think you have max out after 3. Right, it's 80% cap. Oh, it's at the levels, basically. Not sure if you have cap of 80%, you have the double of protection 4 is 32. Yeah, you have a cap after 3, but never mind, I just do it. Because the chest plate won't be always on. Should probably the one I shouldn't put it on. Never mind, I just do it for completion's sake. Just that it looks nice. So it really maxes out the armor from before it got updated to no longer be possible. Fire. Of course, underscore. Okay, I think I have all. Now, player. I mean, equipment. You know what? Actually, that would be nice. Protection for Elytra. Did I put Minecraft protection everywhere? Yeah, I did. It's illegal, right? Usually it shouldn't be, but I mean, I have that on, so why not? Not sure if it has any effect though, because I think it's a scale, not just. But yeah. Also because of the hard cap, it won't matter. Except for protection, maybe just in case there is anything that matters. So as protection, with the N here. Then projectile protection. It's stacked to the normal protection, so it increases your protection if you do that. So it's not useless. It's a cap at 80% and protection alone gets you 64, so you have 16% left. Could do that with protection 5 also. Fire. But it's not the same, like fire protection. Or you can stand into a creeper. We barely take any damage, I think. With protection and blast protection. Already blast protection protects more against creeper than normal protection because of the 80% cap and 16% you have. Because protection is against everything. I also think same thing as fire protection does. So you burn less long normally. So blast protection. I will only have the legs missing after that, and then I will be done. That takes a decent amount of time to do though. Projectile protection and fire protection. I hope I didn't miss anything else I would want to have, because I'm on the final one now. I need a spear still. Oh, good that I remembered. It's wrong spelling here. Underscore. Tile protection. This fire protection. Lunge goes to spear, that's what I know. I think you have looting also. Yeah, I had the looting. I found some like 5 spears. It's annoying, it's all gone. I would have to reload the ancient city, the end city, I mean. Slot 24 was free, I think. Yeah. Let's add one more into the spear because is it lunge 3 or is it lunge 5? I think it's lunge. No, it's 3 because sharpness was. No, it was it smite or sharpness? Don't remember. I put all. What did I do here? It's here that I need to add. So 27, but I think slot 24 I said. Yeah, it's 24. So let's use the shovel as reference for the values so we make no mistakes. Count, yeah. The ID, netherite spear. Oh, netherite is misspelled. Just realized. Is that even there? Is that right? It's over. Yeah, it is. But okay. Enchantments. Cost 3. Okay. So here we have. Let's do our first standard stuff on breaking 3. Oh, that's the wrong place to add repair cost. I will rename it to something else. I will name lunch. No. I think it's called lunch. Lending, of course, that's always. Then sharp looting, yeah, looting, because looting goes with spear. I had the looting to spear even. That's why I know. I think fire aspect 2, just like on the mace. Oh, mace! You know, I didn't go to trial chambers yet, but I did, but I didn't. Well, the entrance only. I didn't really go inside. I know where one is because that's where the stronghold is. So I didn't specify here. Sharpness Yeah, I didn't have a maze, so I won't add that. Can get the maze myself. Windburst would be nice though. That would be hard. Maybe I get that for compensation. Anyway, smite 5. Bane of Arthropods. Arthropods 5. Fire aspect, of course. I think that's also part of it. And then command blocks allow to do even more in-game, I think. Sorry, 2, but 5. Okay, so this should be the file to save. That's why I name it like this and replace. Also, we'll first test it and then put it into the backup, respectively. Maybe put into the backup what I get after launching and then closing. Game mode allow commands is on. Don't think that I want that in the actual one, but I might change that back and then put it to the backup because I don't need creative. Also, the dragon should be probably set as defeated, even though it wouldn't be hard with Elytra, I guess. But I want to bet bomb it. So, let's see, do I have it all? Then craft beds. Okay. Download again with the same name. Override and override. My bad. Just one value that changed. Everything else remained the same. So let's relaunch it. Might have to close the door quickly. Just in case. Okay, let's go. It should work this time. Just only one letter. You can see it's pretty important to type everything properly, otherwise it won't work. You have to craft bed. Go to it's there. Forgot. Well, I'm at the ring portal, so should be fine. Yeah, it worked. Yep. This. What am I doing? Whoa, it's lagging. Okay. That should be enough. More than enough. Yeah. Like this. Some crafting table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Oh, full inventory. Let's fix that. Can still make it. Taking the shortcut. There's so much space, man. So, yeah, don't need to have logs. Or actually, I leave the logs. I collect some more. Put no one bed can go away. Should be enough, right? Don't think that will mess it up that badly. Or maybe just to be safe. What else do I need? Can put the whole this shovel away. Even the spear, I don't need it. No, wrong. Like this. The forest fire started. Okay. Cannot cut down this tree. I'm going to waste my time. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay. Structure. Stronghold. Wait, that's not the one I know. I know another stronghold. Oh. Teleport, yeah. Yeah? What? Golden. Oops. Oh. landed. How? How did I not die? Also, where am I? Let's dip through the night. Completely lost here. Oh, okay. Don't see properly. I'm pretty close to the strong. You know, I recognize this because of the page outpost, and I think it's this way. Yeah, I was here already, even though it reset, I know it. Came here. Where is the... Hello? Why did I lose sight? Ah, it's there, okay. Don't want to get too close to the filters, so go this way. It's at the end of the savannah, over there. Oh, I'm going too close to the filter outpost. Okay. I'm getting blocked anyway, so it's okay. I could be down already, but no, I'll keep going a bit. Yeah, it's on the side. This. Hopefully I don't get spotted yet. also, it's hard. Okay, that's good. That's what I wanted. Don't need elytra on, but I will keep the elytra ready just in case. And pickaxe. So I don't have a torch. I already have to find it. So. Okay. It's really there, right? Anyways, guys, see. Let's go through. Yeah, no. It's night time. Okay, guys. That's enough for today. That's the spawn, I think. Yeah, it's spawn. Yeah. So, anyways, see you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Nevertheless, bye.